Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, hi, I'm Brittany. So today we're filming a very exciting video. We're going to be doing a haul. I have some stuff from Ulta, Sephora, and also some PR I wanted to show you guys. And if you are wondering about my makeup, I did film it for Instagram, so it will be on there if you guys want to see it. And so if you guys want to see this haul, let's go ahead and jump in. Also, before we get started, I just wanted to say I know right now is a very tough time in the world, and I just want my videos to be something positive that you could come into, but I do have a lot of the information on my Instagram about all the injustice that's going on. Just do whatever you can and share awareness. And also Corona, of course, is still going on, so just stay safe out there. And so yeah, I just wanted to say that before we get into it. So let's first start with the stuff that I bought myself. So starting with Ulta, I picked up a new shampoo. This is the Matrix Biolage Color Last shampoo. I was so mad at myself because you guys know they had the Gorgeous Hair event where they usually have like a lot of hair products go on sale. And this was one of the things that I wanted to buy. It was 50% off, but I missed the day. I completely forgot. I just really wanted to try it out just because I've been using the Redken one for so long. I used the sulfate-free, the pink bottle. I feel like it's really good at not stripping my color, but as for cleaning my hair, I feel like it gets really greasy really fast, and it also doesn't like take all the grease out of my hair when I wash it. If you guys have tried this shampoo, let me know if you like it, especially if you have like a fashion color like I do. So the next product, I am so excited about this. When I saw on Trend Mood, I was ecstatic just because I love the Buxom Primer Infused blushes, and this is a Primer Infused bronzer, and so I couldn't wait to buy it. It was on Ulta's website for a while, and I clicked on it and it said coming soon, and I was like, oh my gosh, I hate that. Like, I just want to buy it when it's on the site. But I got the color Backyard Bronze, which I think is the lighter out of the two. There's only two shades, which is, let me open it. Okay, this is freaking huge. I thought it was gonna be smaller just because the Primer Infused blushes are very teeny tiny. I don't have one right here with me, but I love the packaging, and it feels very weighted, which I like because it's a high-end bronzer, so I want it to feel like one. I was saying in my last haul that like the Fenty bronzer feels very like cheap because it's very lightweight, and this one is definitely heavier. And it's not like it's glass or anything, it's still plastic, but it's like a acrylic or something. The next thing I got, I just picked up because it was on sale and I'm running out. So this is just the Tarte Shape Tape. I got the color Light Neutral. And then I regretted it because I always go between a light neutral and light sand. So I actually placed another order for light sand because I was like, why not? Especially because now they're on sale and I'm gonna buy it anyways. So light sand should be coming, I think, Thursday, but I did pick up light neutral. I like this for when I just need a darker one, and light sand is a little bit brighter for a brighter under eye, which I'm wearing that color today. And the last thing I got from Ulta was from Morphe, and this is one of their liquid lipsticks. I haven't tried much of their lip products, but as you guys saw in my last haul, I got a lot in PR to like try out the different formulas. But I'm doing a collab pretty soon on my channel, and I'm picking up some of her favorites to try out in a video. And one of them was this liquid lipstick. It's in the color Virgin. I'm so excited. It looks like such a beautiful nude. And when I did try out this formula in my last video, it was pretty nice. So let's see what this color looks like. Oh yeah, this is definitely up my alley. You guys know I love nudes. It's a very beautiful, just pinky nude. Oh my god, I'm so excited to try that. Moving on to Sephora. I just had my Sephora bag in the Ulta box. But I only picked up one thing from here, and it was the Fenty Pro Filter Instant Retouch Setting Powder. This came out a while back, and a lot of people like it, but I just never bought it because I had so many powders at the time. But I've actually been wanting to try it out for a while, and this was one of her favorites, the girl that I'm collaborating with. You guys will see in a future video. She said she really likes this, and I was like, yes, perfect timing, because I really wanted to try that out. I got the color Butter. I don't know if I already said that, but as for this packaging, it's very weighted, very luxurious filling, and it looks super pretty. I don't know, some things are just hit and miss, you know? Let me know if you guys have tried this too, because I want to know your guys' thoughts. Oh, and I did want to show you guys this. I just had it in my Sephora bag, but I picked this up from Dollar General, so like the opposite of Sephora. But this was another one of her favorites, and it's a new foundation from Belief Beauty, and this was like under $5. So I cannot wait to try it. It's supposed to be full coverage. I got the color soft beige, so hopefully she matches me. Okay guys, so that was everything that I picked up myself. Not a lot. Most of it is gonna be PR. So I hope that you guys been liking these PR hauls because they're really fun for me and I love showing you guys all the new products. So speaking of new products, Boxychar sent me their newest box, but in it has House Lab's new palette, which is Lady Gaga's brand if you guys haven't heard of it. But it's so pretty. Let me show you. Look at the box. This is her new Stupid Love palette. It looks like these. Let me open her up. It even has her picture on the little plastic thing, which is pretty cool. But these are all the colors. They're super pretty. There's lots of blues in there, and then you have like your pop of warm tone. And then it also comes with the new liquid liner. The next package is from Tati Lashes, and at first I thought it was Tati Westbrook, but it's not. It's a completely different brand. But they asked if they could send me some lashes over, and I took a look at them and they looked really pretty, so I was like, heck yeah, please send them over. But look at this packaging, it's so cute. It's pink and marble, like my two favorite things. So they sent over 6 pairs of lashes and also their lash glue, which is pink. I love that. So we have Badass, which look like super full lashes. Then we have Profile Pick, which are a little bit more subdued, but still like subdued. Is that how you say it? Subdued? A little bit less dramatic than those, but still dramatic. And then we have Bitches Back. Ooh, these look really pretty. They're kind of similar to like a Miami Flare. Ooh, these look really wispy. They're called TL9. I really like those. Then we have TL4, which are thicker but still wispy. And then these, ooh, they look really PC. I like that. These are TL3. And all of these have really cute packaging as well. So I cannot wait to try those lashes out. I'll let you guys know if they're good or not. Next up, we have a smaller package. This is so cute. I got it today, so I haven't even looked at it at all. So these are from the brand Hero Cosmetics. They sent over 3 like patches and a rescue balm. So this is a post blemish recovery cream. I think this is more geared towards like acne prone skin, which I do have, so I'm so excited to try these out. This is so small but so cute. I like the packaging. Ooh, it has ingredients I've never heard of, but I kind of like that because obviously the ingredients I've been using aren't really helping. And then of course we have the fun patches. I've been hearing so many things about acne patches and I've never tried them myself, so I cannot wait to use these. So they have the Mighty Patch, the original. Then we have Micro Point for dark spots, which I do have a lot of dark spots, so I can't wait to try that one. And then last but not least, we have the Micro Point for blemishes. I feel like this haul is going so fast, but the last package we have is from Glow Recipe, and they sent me everything in their line, which, oh my gosh, I'm so grateful. I love their stuff from what I've tried. I've only tried a couple of their products, but what I've tried is super duper good, so I cannot wait to give the rest of these a go. So the first thing they sent over that I want to tell you guys about is their newest product, which, oh my gosh, I could not wait to try this. So I kind of already tried it like twice and I really like it. So this is their new Watermelon Glow PHA BHA Pore Tightening Toner. That's a mouthful, but this is what she looks like right here. All their stuff has the prettiest packaging and it's glass, so it's very like luxurious feeling. And so like I said, I did already try this because I could not wait, girl. I was so excited. I was actually gonna buy this myself and I was so happy that they sent it over. But I love trying toners. You guys know my favorite ones are actually the Ole Henriksen ones. I'm gonna give you like my little review over this really quick. So the first thing I noticed about it is that it's thicker than other toners. Like these ones are really watery. This one's kind of almost like a cream slash liquid. It's really interesting, the texture on it. And the smell, oh my gosh, I thought it was gonna smell like watermelon, but it smells like watermelon like all their other stuff, but mixed with tahini, which if you guys don't know me, I love tahini. So I mean, it's like a summer day for me, like sitting on the couch eating my watermelon, pouring tahini all over it. It's so good. But that kind of like scared me a little bit because tahini is like spicy and then Tahine on your face, you just picture like burning and stuff, but this actually does not burn. The Ole Hendrickson Dark Toner this year burns my face, but I think it's worth it because it actually works, but it burns a lot to some degree to where I can't use it that often. But I'm gonna stop talking about it now because I feel like I've been talking about it forever, but I really like this and I'm so excited to continue using this. Like I said, they sent over the whole line. So next up we have their Blueberry Bounce Gentle Cleanser. So it says makeup erasing and deep cleansing, and I love that it comes with a pump and it's just this cute little pastel purple moment. We love that. So I will definitely try this out when I'm done with my other cleansers, but I cannot wait. It seems like it's gonna be nice and gentle. The next thing we have here is the Avocado Melt Retinol Sleeping Mask. Oh, I love the packaging. Look at this green and it's nice and heavy. And then to go along with that, we have the Avocado Melt Eye Sleeping Mask, which I've never tried any kind of mask for my eye area. Oh, it's like a baby version of that one. Look. How cute. And then we have this one I have already tried. It was one of the products I have used before. This is the Watermelon Glow Sleeping Mask. I just heard so many people rave about it in the past, and so I got like a set of this and their Glow Mist, which I love that mist as well. Speaking of their Glow Mist, they did send it over. So this is their Watermelon Glow Ultrafine Mist. I love this stuff. I actually have it right here. I'm almost out of this one and I have a backup, and so now I have two backups. Can't get enough of this stuff. You just can't. It just really melts down your powder and it gives you a really nice glow. Next up, ooh, we have banana. I wonder if it smells like bananas. So this is their moisture cream. So I think it's just a moisturizer. Oh, I love. It seems like it's a very like gel. Ooh, it does. It smells like bananas, but it's not strong. Oh, I got lipstick on it. It's not strong at all. It's very, very subtle. On here, it says it's calming and hydrating. And then we have a lip product right here. So this is their Watermelon Glow Lip Pop Nourishing and AHA Smoothing. So I think it's kind of like a lip scrub and lip balm in one, if I'm not mistaken. Oh, it kind of looks like a lipstick. Love the baby pink on it. Yeah, it kind of reminds me of that e.l.f. lip scrub. Ooh. It smells so good. It reminds me of my childhood lip balms. Just two more things. So this is the Pineapple C Brightening Serum. I've heard good things about this. A lot of people don't like the smell, which, let's smell it. Maybe it smells like pineapple. Oh, it looks like a little pineapple. It doesn't smell like pea to me. Like some people were saying it smelled like pea. It smells like straight up pineapple, but the pineapple that you get that's in a can. And the last thing that we have here, ooh, is their Pink Juice Moisturizer. I've been wanting to try this. I like moisturizers that are light like this for before makeup. So I'll probably keep this right here on my vanity to use kind of as a priming moisturizer. And I love the way these feel too. Like the texture of the glass, like that's waved. It just does something to me. I'm so weird, but it does come with a pump. But that is everything that I got for this haul. I hope that you guys enjoyed. If you did, make sure to give it a thumbs up so I can know to keep doing them. Also, if you're not subscribed to my channel, BritanyRaquell, I post 3 videos a week, and I would love if you joined the beauty fam, and I'll catch you guys in my next video. Bye. Where's my makeup wiper?